Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching around the world. Welcome to a brand new episode of Just Another Sports Card Collector. And today we are just doing a nice short one. We are going through my collection of boxes and packs I haven't opened, and today is the Prizm 2024 Panini Prizm NFL. So it's a 15 card pack, and it says you can find 5 exclusive Prizms. As well as that, there is a 400 card set for all these. So it says on average we get 2 non-base cards per pack. So let's go ahead and open it up. So we start this with Geno Smith, now at the Raiders. Brian Burns even, of the Giants. Brad Johnson of the Buccaneers. Jesse Bates III of the Falcons. Michael Dean Perry of the Cleveland Browns. Devontae Adams was of the Raiders, he's now in LA. Matt LaFleur, the Green Bay's Packers coach. James Lofton of the Packers as well. Then we have our exclusives here with Brandon Ayuk of the 49ers. Just checking to see if it was numbered, but it's not, but we'll put that in at the back. Then we have Tyson Bagent of the Browns. TJ Hawkinson of the Vikings. Daniel Jones was of the Giants, he is now with the Colts. No, yeah, it is the Indianapolis Colts. Then we have a Portals of Brett Favre of the Jets. Nice card. A hype card of DJ Moore of the Bears. Then we end this pack with Johan Ellis of the Denver Broncos. So there you go. That's our 3 main cards that we got there. Pretty decent pack with Prizm. I do have the Prizm value box that I shall be opening up in the next video, so look forward to that. But I hope you enjoyed this nice short video. If you did, please like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks very much for watching, and goodbye for now. Goodbye.